Hi everyone. So today we're going to create a new video. So you'll need this breadboard, and after that we're going to need this Arduino. Alright. Okay, so after that we're going to need this LED. Actually we're going to need 12 LED to make this output. So the other one, that's all. And after we're going to place this one in here. Because we're going to put some jumper wires above them later. Alright, so after that we're going to need this resistor. Each of LED we're going to put one resistor, so we will going to need like 12 resistors. Okay, so after that we will change the value of the resistor. We will change it into 100 ohms. So all of the resistors we will change it into 100 ohms. We will change his resistance into 100. Alright, so after changing the resistance or value, we're going to put this jumper wire and change the color, and another one. Alright, so we will put this 5 volts in the positive line in breadboard. I'm sorry, I need to delete this one. And again, we're going to put this 5 volts in the positive line in breadboard. Change the color into red and ground. So connect this one into the negative line in breadboard and change the color into black. Alright. Alright, so we will put this one into the D1 in Arduino. We will connect this, all of them in Arduino up until in D12. There, and last click in D12. So we we will change the color into red. Right, we'll change the color all of it. Alright, and by the way, I already copied the code and I'll just paste it later. So, alright, after that we're going to go into boot, and I'll just paste it in here and there. Alright, so let's start to simulate if the codes is correct. Alright, so as you can see, the code is actually running, and I can see that it's correct.